Fish absorb dissolved oxygen from water by diffusion across their gills into the blood. The gills are found around here on a fish and they're covered by a bony flap. They are the equivalent of human lungs. Water that contains dissolved oxygen enters the fish's mouth when it inhales and passes out of the gills when it exhales. This is why you might have seen fish opening and closing their mouths. You should be able to explain how the gills in fish are adapted for exchanging gases. So, how are the gills adapted for effective exchange of gases? The gills of a fish are divided into very thin layers of tissue, forming a large surface area for diffusion. The gills look quite unusual and are divided into many individual sections, forming a large surface area. In addition to having many individual sections, gills also have many layers. We can call these gill layers. Let's take a closer look at how the gills are adapted for diffusion. The continual flow of water over the gills maintains a steep concentration gradient for efficient gas exchange. Like lungs in mammals, the gills in fish are well ventilated. The fish will inhale water that contains dissolved oxygen. This moves in this direction across the gills. This water moves through the gills, and eventually the fish exhales carbon dioxide. So how are the gases exchanged between the water and the fish's bloodstream as this water moves across the gills? The gills are rich in capillaries to provide an efficient blood supply for diffusion and circulation of gases. If we zoom into a single section of the gill, then we can see the capillaries. These provide an efficient blood supply for exchange. Blood will flow in this direction around the gills. The blue colour means that the blood is deoxygenated and red means that the blood is oxygenated. So then oxygen will move into the gills from a high concentration in the water to a low concentration in the blue blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide from a high concentration inside the blood will move out to a low concentration in the surrounding water. So let's finish by recapping the main points that increase the effectiveness of the gills. Firstly, they have a large surface area, a thin membrane, an efficient blood supply, and they're also well ventilated.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!